Oh, hi! It's Miss Nancy from the Discovery Center, Discovery at Home, and I'm here to tell you about Toddler Rip and Tear art. It is the best. It's simple, takes very few supplies, and destruction is so satisfying at any age. Toddlers can get into play with their entire body, so this is a great thing to do. If you have newspaper, just scrap paper, it could be old magazines, it could be anything, different textures. I kind of like newspapers because it's a long body movement. And there's a lot of upper and trunk and body work for this. And there's no special system you can tear. But what we're going to do is teach our toddler how to tear. You're going to pull toward and push away, and that's going to rip and tear. So you'll have a strip that looks about like this. Then you're going to have them show them how to put it in a container. Then you're going to do it again. And it's okay if it doesn't come out right. That's not really the purpose. It's just the motion. So you're tearing it. Now, after you've done that, you get a second container. You take your pieces and rip them so that they're little squares. Great fine motor, great development of those little hand muscles that are so important to holding a pencil and then later on down the road writing. So you're just tearing, and soon you'll have a container full of toddler confetti. Now, if you do it with colorful paper, then it's a little bit more fun when you turn it into a collage project. So you've got your collage. Here's what I suggest. If you have a glue stick, go with that. If you have painter's tape, tape is always such a fun tactile sense. Have them take the tape and stick it to a piece of paper. Now, if you mount the paper on the wall, you're using different body positions, standing, kneeling, or even taping it to the floor and using all fours. That motion is activating different joints in your body and muscle groups that connect to the brain, and that body-brain connection is vital when you're a toddler. So if you are into something that's a little destructive but a lot of fun, do some toddler rip and tear art and turn it into a wonderful art project. This is Miss Nancy at the Kansas Children's Discovery Center, Discovery at Home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Sunflower Health Plan for your generous support of Discovery at Home.